everyone. All right, so this is the video for your first WYR assignment for Module Ariel. So remember that stands for Would You Rather. So once you are in the class, over here you'll see Module Ariel, but of course make sure you start here with getting started and make sure you submit your affirmation form. I know a number of you have already done so, and then make sure you submit your Flipgrid post as well. Those are due first, but I went ahead and posted the first Would You Rather assignments. Okay, so the quiz, is not posted yet. For some reason, the quizzes didn't copy over from the last time I taught this course, which is really weird. So it's kind of a big production to get them posted, but it will be posted well in advance of the due date. You have like, I don't know, a month or something like that before the quiz is even due. So it will be posted, I promise. But so for your first assignment, you will go like right here again, which I just did, click on Module A, Module Ariel, and you'll see the National Mathematics Advisory Panel, Chapters 1 and 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, and then here's the assignment, WYR Assignment Options for Module Ariel. Okay, so go ahead and click on this and it'll take you will see some options. So your first option is to, I think on the syllabus I have it ordered the other way around. So let me start with this one. So the first one is high quality math instruction. This is an IRIS module, what teachers should know. So what you would do if you choose this assignment, you will work through the module and submit only the answers to the assessment questions, which you can find right here. And then, so let me show you. So if you click here, it'll take you to the IRIS modules. If you have not used IRIS modules in other classes, definitely take some time. Just, Google IRIS Center. It's out of Vanderbilt University. There's tons and tons and tons. Let me just show you really quickly. Tons and tons and tons of resources. Every category you could possibly think of. So I know if you've taken classes with me before, we've done some of these, but if you're new, this might be your first IRIS module, but definitely keep this resource in mind. It's so fabulous. All right, but let me take you to the one that we're going to do, where if you choose this option, it is high quality mathematics instruction, what teachers should know. So if you choose this option, you will go ahead and just work through this module. Hold on, let me see if I can resize it to show you the begin. Okay, so you'll just work through it. Remember, you can work through the IRIS module this way, you could go across the top this way, or you can click right here where it says begin, and then just click next, and then next, and just keep going like this. If you wanted to go to a specific page number, you can do that. Okay, so, I was pretty close to the assessment. So if you choose, hold on, where are the assessment questions? If you choose to do this assignment, you'll work through this module, and then at the end there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 assessment questions. This will be what you submit for the assignment. Okay, you will just answer these assessment questions. I did just copy this into a Word document, but the video right here does not transfer to the assignment document that I'll show you in 1 second. So if you do choose this one, I would honestly recommend just doing a split screen, having the IRIS module open on one side and the Word document with these questions on another side, and you can kind of answer as you go. All right, so this is I don't know. I just love these IRIS modules. They're so great, and there's so much information. I'm just a big fan. So clearly, if you choose this again, it'll take you right to high quality mathematics instruction. So that's if you click right here. Okay. And if you choose this assignment, your assessment questions are right here. All right, so this, remember, is where you will submit your assignment, your choice of one. So your IRIS module questions, you're just going to click here. And again, you could do a split screen and have it open at the same time as your as the IRIS module. So here are the questions, so you can just type your answers right in here. It's a Word document. Okay, here's the scenario. Again, the video for number 4 did not come through, so it says view the video clip below, and then I just said you must view the clip within the module as it didn't attach here. Okay, so just keep that in mind that you will have to go back to the module. If you get out of it, go into the module to watch the video clip, and then just make sure you answer questions 5A and 5B. Don't forget about them because they're kind of at the bottom of the page. All right, so that is That is the IRIS module assessment questions. Again, you'll click right here, work through the module, and submit just the answer to these assessment questions. Okay, your other option, remember, you're only going to choose one for each module. You will choose one would you rather assignment. Okay, so your other option is to go here for the task fall conference. Again, this is a presentation that I made about math, and then the assignment option is completing these guided notes. So as I say here, if you choose this assignment, you will watch this presentation right here, and then you'll complete the guided notes below to submit as your assignment. Okay, so let me show you this. So you'll click here. This right here is just an additional slide that I forgot about. But this is why I'm having you do the what is your favorite number and why, because think about using that as an attention getter, right? Your students might find that pretty interesting. This is a brief history of band numbers. I know you can't read the little thingamajigger, and I don't think I can either, but it is a TED, it's TED Ed. So if you go to, I'm reading it, ed.ted.com/lessons/a brief history of band numbers. So that might be something you might want to share with your students as well, just because it's pretty interesting, and you can talk about should some numbers be illegal, why or why not, and get their thoughts. But here is the presentation. Okay, so you'll click here to answer the presentation, to access. I think I just said answer. If you choose this assignment, you will watch the presentation and complete the guided notes below, that are that I just showed y'all right here. Okay, you will complete that, and that will be what you submit. So here's the presentation. Let me just show you. That's not me. Hold on, I gotta get through the ad, of course. All right, so let me just show you what it looks like. It is on YouTube. It's through the Transition Alliance of South Carolina. I totally just paused the wrong thing, y'all. I paused my own video. So anyways, this is the presentation using evidence-based practices to teach mathematics. Again, I was invited to present basically the same thing 2 different times for task. So again, if you choose that one, you'll watch the presentation, then you'll come back here to the assignment, and you'll just click here where it says task guided notes. And let me show you what it looks like. Remember, you might need to click enable editing. And so just guided notes, right? So you will just fill in the blanks. Again, they are Word documents also. Here you will draw your own Frayer model template. Do the best you can, because it does, it is kind of a, it's a rectangle with a circle in the middle and then 4 quadrants. So if you can't figure out how to draw it, on a computer, you can either print it out, draw it by hand, or just do kind of your best, make a little table, just do your best there. Our non-example is important, so you'll just answer these questions, okay? Describe the steps of the CAP strategy, provide examples of the CRA sequence. Should you use open or closed-ended questions? Why? Provide 3 examples of appropriate discussion questions to use in your teaching of mathematics. Why is it important to use mathematically precise language, and how could you use math think boards either face-to-face or virtually in your classroom? All right, so those are the guided notes. So again, your options for this module, your would you rather, high quality mathematics instruction, what teachers should know. So you would click here to work through the module, and then you would click here to answer the questions. And if you choose the task presentation, same thing, you could definitely split screen, right? You could have the video, the presentation playing while you have the guided notes up, and you will complete those. So again, you will just choose one, your choice, high quality mathematics instruction right here, or task fall conference right here. You can certainly work with a partner, with a small group, individually. If you work together, with a partner or a small group, only one person needs to submit it. Sometimes I feel like a broken record when I say that. But if you work together, only one of you needs to submit it, but make sure you include all the names on there. And some people, when they submit it, let me see if I can go to an assignment. Okay, let me see. Hold on. Oh, well, that's silly. I could have just done that. All right, hold on. Hold on. All right, let me just go here. No, not that. Let me go here. My bad. So some people, and this is actually helpful. So you will browse, your local files to upload your assignment, but then it's helpful if you put the names both within the assignment and in the little text box right here. Just say this was completed by blah, 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 blah. So just make sure one person submits and includes everyone's names who are included, okay? That is helpful if you put the names here and also in the actual assignment. All right, so that is it. Again, we have a few weeks for those that these are due. Remember, you will choose one, and then the quiz will be due the week after that, and I will get the quiz, so it's empty right now. Don't think you're missing something. It is empty, and I will get that posted soon. But make sure you're, again, starting with the intro, let's get this party started module. Here's your syllabus review. Here's the syllabus, affirmation form, first priority right here. Second priority, intro to Flipgrid or intro Flipgrid post. And if you are uncertain of how to submit any assignments, make sure you click right here. All right, so those are your first tasks, and then you can move into Module Ariel. Start with the NMAP, then chapters 1 and 2, chapters 3, chapter 4, and here are your assignments. Again, you will choose one, and here will be your quiz. And again, don't lose it that the quiz is not there right now. Okay, that's it for now, and I hope the semester is off to a great start for everybody, and I will be back in touch soon.